Sick of your 9 to 5? Want to make money online with $0 and no experience? These 5 AI side hustles can help you earn from home, and the last one might blow your mind. Let's get into it.
1. Boost your business with ChatGPT. AI content creation with ChatGPT. This is why you need ChatGPT for your freelance journey. Imagine writing blog posts, product descriptions, and social media content effortlessly. With ChatGPT, there's no need for prior experience. Just start with simple prompts and watch your skills grow. Offer your services on Fiverr or Upwork and watch your freelance career take off. Affordable, easy to use, and incredibly powerful. Ready to unlock your content potential? Visit ChatGPT and start your journey today. 2. Faceless YouTube channel with InVideo AI. Stop stressing about being on camera. Let AI do the work. Let's talk faceless YouTube channels. With AI tools like InVideo or Pictory, you can create smashing content without ever showing your face. Pick a niche, tech reviews, motivational quotes, or even finance tips. Next, add AI voiceovers and stock footage to bring your videos to life. Make sure to schedule weekly uploads to keep your audience hooked. And when you start gaining traction, monetize with ads and affiliate links. Easy peasy, right? Start today and watch your channel grow. Consistency is key. Plan your content ahead of time and stick to a schedule. Research trending topics to stay relevant. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and sharing your videos on social media platforms. Use analytics to understand what works and what doesn't. Adjust your strategy based on the data. Collaborate with other creators to expand your reach. Guest appearances can bring new viewers to your channel. Celebrate your milestones and keep pushing forward. The journey to success is a marathon, not a sprint. Happy creating. Command Revolution AI Designs. What I wish I knew at 18 instead of 28. You can make money with AI art, no upfront costs. Start by using Midjourney or Kittle to generate unique designs with just a few clicks. Then, hop over to Canva to fine-tune and perfect your creations. Ready to sell? Upload your designs to Redbubble, Teespring, or Etsy. No upfront costs, just pure profit. AI tools make it fast, fun, and easy. So unleash your inner artist and start earning today. 5. AI voice cloning services. Am I the only one that didn't know AI could write resumes? Game changer. Introducing AI-powered resumes and cover letters that are tailored to your needs. With just a few clicks, get a professional tailored CV that stands out. Perfect for students, job seekers, and Fiverr users. Save time, stress less, and boost your chances of success. Ready to impress? And visit our Fiverr gig today and start landing those interviews. It's easier than you think. Don't wait. Your dream job is just one click away. Start your journey now. Which AI side hustle will you start in 2025? With the rapid advancements in artificial intelligence, the opportunities are endless. From creating AI-driven content to developing smart applications, the future is bright. Like and subscribe for more AI tools and passive income ideas. Stay ahead of the curve and turn your passion into profit. See you in the next video. Keep innovating and exploring new possibilities.